Hi, I'm Denise at Battleground Kia. So, you want to know what we have in stock for you today? A nicely used 2020 Kia Sportage, only 50,000 miles on it. And all of our used cars come with 6 months, 6,000 mile limited powertrain warranty. Come on down and take a test drive. Let's take a look at the inside. Welcome to your new to you 2020 Kia Sportage SX Turbo. As you can see, this car is fully loaded. I'm talking fully. We have leather seats, carpet floor mats, of course. Nice touch screen right here. You have heated and ventilated seats. You also have a heated steering wheel. And then you say your battery was dying, you have a wireless phone charger right there. Push to start. Wait, what else do you want? Oh, well, would you look at there? I have a free skyline in my car. Oh my goodness. Oh wow. Come on down and talk to Denise at Battleground Kia. Oh wow, I'm sorry. I was just enjoying the space that I have back here in this beautiful view from this, car skyline. We're not gonna call it a sunroof. This is so typical. But look at all of this. You have 2 charging ports here. You have your 12 volt and you also have your USB port. You have your vents in the back. Not all cars have vents in the back. We got vents in the back here, guys. All right, you have leather seats, power windows. What else could you want? What more do you want from me? Guys, and that's your 2020 SX Turbo Sportage. Come on down to Battleground Kia, ask for Denise, and I hand you your keys.